Experimental investigation on the mechanical behavior of concrete reinforced with alpha fibers by Messrs. Ashora, Boutkhid, and Mamin. The present article aims to investigate the mechanical behavior of concrete reinforced with natural fibers called alpha fibers. Compression and three-point bending tests have been performed on different samples. Different fiber lengths and contents of alpha fibers have been used to examine their influence on the mechanical behavior of the fiber reinforced concrete. As shown in the first figure, the alpha leaf is a circular, smooth, shiny, and solid ribbon. To determine the fracture stress of alpha fiber, a uniaxial test is carried out by using the Zwick roll apparatus. Once the samples are prepared, they are stored in a saturated, humid, medium, and ambient temperature. Compression and three-point bending tests are then performed. The results obtained show that the maximum recorded drop in compressive strength is around 30 megapascal. This decreasing is due to the disruption of the matrix crystal lattice arrangement due to the inclusion of longer fibers. According to the ordinary concrete tensile strength, the maximum improvement of the tensile strength of reinforced concrete is obtained with fibers of 2 and 5 cm in length and contents of 0.6% and 1.2%. For compression tests, the ordinary concrete specimen breaks abruptly and collapses during the compression test. In contrast, the sample with fiber reinforced concrete nucleates cracks that propagate progressively up to the material fails. For three-point bending tests at a given load value, the micro cracks become visual and then progressively propagate and increase in width. The texture of the first zone adjacent to the alpha fibers appears to be uncracked. This suggests a better adhesion between the concrete and the alpha fibers. However, the second zone within the ordinary concrete shows multi-identified cracks producing a localized damage zone. Based on these figures, the mechanical behavior and tensile bending of the different types of concrete is better by using short fibers, 2.5 cm in length. By considering the fiber's content, a content of 1.2% leads to good results in terms of deflection. It can be observed that the fiber length is an important factor that greatly affects the mechanical behavior and cracking of the concrete for the different contents examined. Thus, the crack opening of the specimen reinforced with alpha fibers of 8 cm length can reach 13 mm without breaking, for a content of 1.8%. The obtained results showed for a volume content of 1.2% of plant fibers of 5 cm length, the tensile strength of the reinforced concrete increases up to 54.41% compared to the ordinary concrete, PT. However, for a content of 1.8% of fibers with 8 cm length, both the compressive and tensile strength of the reinforced concrete decrease slightly.